Realme has launched its new affordable smartphone under Narzo series in India called Realme Narzo 50 with a stylish textured rear panel design. Talking about the specifications, the Realme Narzo 50 features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate support, and it has a large 90.8% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G96 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using dynamic RAM expansion technology, and it has 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme Narzo 50 supports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.05 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W super dart charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also includes multifunctional game mode feature for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.1 by 75.5 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 194 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme Narzo 50 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 15,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 3rd in Speed Black and Speed Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 50 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolbug YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.